Hello everyone, here I am Shubh Makijani, the student of Divine Science Academy. Today, I am going to show you the hybridization of ethane molecule. As you can see, this is the simple structure of ethane molecule. So how does the hybridization takes place? Now I am going to show you the electronic configuration of carbon atom. This is the electronic configuration of carbon atom. So as you can see, this is the electronic configuration of carbon atom at the ground state. It is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. When the carbon atom is approached by another atom, carbon becomes excited and the electronic configuration becomes as it is defined in the excited state. This arrangement is according to the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, that is, the orbitals are first singly occupied and then the pairing begins. So that's the equal distribution of energies and the bonds are equally strong. That occurs the formation of the sp3 hybrid orbital. The sp3 hybrid orbital is formed by the one orbit of s and the other three orbits of p, and they form the sp3 hybrid orbital. So now we're gonna know why it is sp3 orbital, not sp2 or sp orbital. Here you can see that presence of carbon-carbon bond, that is single bond, is present, so sp3 hybrid orbital is formed. Here you can see s orbital as in the spherical shape and p orbital is in dumbbell shape. The s orbital is spherically arranged in the middle, that is spherically symmetry in the middle, and the p orbitals are aligned with each other in 3D arrangement. The p orbitals are aligned with each other in 3D arrangement. The s orbital is spherically symmetrical in the middle. Now the hybridization takes place, the energy exchange takes place, and the shape exchange also takes place. So here the orbitals are now distributed tetrahedrally and they are at equal distance apart from each other. So they form the angle of 109 degree and 28 minutes with each other. The distance between carbon-carbon covalent bond is 154 picometer. As you can see, all of them are bonded with the sigma bond. Now here, the sp3 forms a single bond, that is, carbon-carbon forms a bond by sigma bond, and the other three sp3 are bonded by hydrogen with sigma bonds, as you can see in the structure. So this is finally the structure of ethane molecule. Thank you. So as you can see, here a total of 7 sigma bonds are formed. One is between carbon-carbon and the other 6 are between carbon and hydrogen. There are a total of 7 sigma bonds present.